Hey, this is Delta Lima 8 Yankee Delta Papa, and this is my shack clock. But it doesn't just show the time. It's pulling live QSO statistics from my Wavelog logbook and displaying them right here on the clock. Total QSOs, FT8 QSOs, CV, SSB and more cycling through automatically. This is WavelogQSOStats2Awtrix, a small Node.js app I built to connect Wavelog with the Awtrix firmware on an Ulanzi TC001 pixel clock. You configure everything in this web interface. Wavelog URL, API key, your station IDs. As soon as you hit Test Wavelog API, you instantly see if the API connection works and you can see your current QSO counts right here in the table. And then you decide which modes you want to display, in which order, via drag and drop, with which icon and for how long. There is even a one-click icon upload. It pushes all the amateur radio icons I created directly to the clock's memory. And there it is, your logbook live on your desk. Total QSOs, FT8, FT4, CV, SSB, whatever you care about. The project is open source and free, and you will find it at awtrix.deltalima8yankeedeltapapa.de. Docker, Portainer and classic Node.js installations are all supported, so go give it a try, and 73, hear you on the bands.